make sure you're using numbers to do which way you're using. Okay. I like how I'm seeing different strategies being used. Everyone is showing me that they are thinking with their fist on their chest. Okay, Bryson, what is your answer? 21. Show me if you agree with 21. If you disagree. Okay, Bryson, how did you get 21?
I added the 2 to the 9, and I knew that that was going to be 11.
Okay. So you added 2 and 9, that's 11, and then what did you do?
Then I added the 1 to the in the 1's place, and then I was on the 10.
Okay, so you added a 1 to the what place?
The 10's place.
The tens place, because that digit is in the 10, so he added 10 more. So then he got 21. Okay? That's a good way of doing that by breaking up by place value. Is there another way that someone solved? Adriana. Alexis's way? Tell me about it. Oh, so she just did standard algorithm in her head, 19 plus 2, and she actually visualized doing that in her head. So Bryson, you used your method, breaking apart by place value, and this is whose method? Alexis's way. Is there another way that someone solved? Brody, what did you do?
I used my way and I added. I put the 2 to get 10, the 9 with the 10.
Oh, so you did, say that again?
I split it up. I split it up, then I added the 2 from the 9 to make it 10. And then you had a 10, and then you have 11 left for the 10 and the 2 and the 1.
Okay, let me see if I got this right. Did you take one here and move it there?
Yeah, I split it up the 10.
Okay, so you split this up into 10
and 9.
and 9. And then what did you do?
I added 1 from the 2 to 9.
Oh, and he split both of them up. So he added 10 and 9, he broke it to 10 and 9. And he put one more here because he likes, I think, working with 20s. So that equals 20, plus 1 equals 20. And then he had one more that he didn't use before, so then he added it back. I got 21. That's, actually that was our method mixed together, the Brycey method. Y'all mixed together. Okay. Is there another way that someone solved? Yes.
I did 2 ways. I did Alexis and Annie's.
Alexis and Annie's, tell me about it.
Okay, so if Annie said that if you have a 9 in it and a 2, you can get the answer. Like, how she ever did it? Like, I forgot how she did it. Doubles.
You don't
Yeah,
so
doubles.
she used doubles?
Yeah, because
oh,
the
that was
9 and the 9
Anne's
in
way.
it. Because there's a 9 in it.
Talk a little bit more about that. Okay, so you went for the double, so 19, is it close to 20?
Yes.
Okay, so that's what you did. So when you have 19 plus 20, she thought about 19 being close to 20, so you gave it 1, right? So 20. Oops, 2. And then 2. So what do we have to do with that 1 since we gave it? What do we have to do?
You have to add 1 more.
Do we add 1 more?
No, we take away 1 more.
Okay, so then we have to take it back away. If we add it, we have to take it back away later. So she got 21. I'm learning how to tell me another way to solve 19 plus 2.
I did kind of the Jaden way with money and give and take.
Oh, Jaden way with money and then give and take. So tell me about that. Talk me through it.
Well, what I did was I had 2 dimes, and then I added 5 cents.
Okay.
Took away 3
So he thought of it, so he broke it up into like money. So 10 plus 10, right? And then what did you do?
5 plus 5.
Okay,
Took
so,
away 3 pennies.
okay, where are you getting the 5 plus 5 plus 3?
I didn't do 5 plus 5. I did 5 minus 3.
Got you. Okay, so let's figure out why he did that. Okay, so 19, it looks like he did that because it's close to 20, so 2 dimes, right? So 20. So basically he added 1 more to kind of do like our friend did before and work with easy numbers. So that makes it 20, and then we had 2 more to add. But then remember when he made it a friendly fact to 20? So he added 1, so then he said he needed to take it back away. So that's how he got 21. Let's do another one. That was last time's. Just this. Show me how many different strategies you have with your fingers. MJ, what is your answer?
25.
He has 24. If you agree, if you disagree, what answer do you have? She has 25. If you agree, disagree. Alyssa, talk me through how you got to 25.
Plus 5.
19 plus 5.
And I counted it up. And I said 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Oh my god!
Oh, I love how you just did that. She counted up. Because a lot of times when we actually take the time and verbalize what we're doing, we'll catch our own mistakes. I love how you caught your mistake. So MJ, how did you get 24?
So I did, I took 1 from the 5 and it was added to the 19.
Oh, I love that. So he took 1 from the 5 and he moved it over there. So let me write it down here. So he just moved it like this. Okay, so the 19 becomes a what since we added 1?
20. And then I added 4 more, which is 24.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so plus 4, and that's how we got 24. Did anyone else use our method? Okay, is there another way that someone solved? Brody, how did you solve it?
I split up the 10 again and the 9.
Okay. He split up the 10 and the 9, and then what did you do?
This time I added all the 5 to the 10.
Oh, so he decided it was easier, I'm going to do like this, to add 10 plus 5 than 10 plus 9. And so 10 plus 5 is?
10 plus 15.
Okay. And then what did you do?
And then I added the 9 to make it 24.
Then he added the 9 to make it 24. Good. Anyone else do it like that? Okay, is there another way that someone solved? Adriana?
I took 1 and added it to the 18.
Okay, so you kind of did this. No, you didn't. Talk me through it again.
I just added 1 to the 19.
Okay. So she added 1 to make it a friendly factor of 20, and then what did you do? Oh, then since she gave it, now she has to take it away. So she got 24. Nice job. Anyone else do it like that? Is there another way someone solved? Annie?
I added 19 plus 2 was 29. So
Mhm.
I added 3 more.
Okay. Where'd you add 3 to?
After
Oh, so you looked at last ones. So she knew, Annie knew, that 19 plus 2 is 21. This time I have 19 plus 5, and that is how far away from 2 to 5? So she added 3 more, and she got 24. Did anyone else notice that pattern? Okay, one more way. What's another way? What's another way you solved
So
it?
I put 19 in my head and then you just added 5 more. I mean, I took away from the 5.
Talk me through it again. Did you use the standard algorithm like you did last time? You didn't? Tell me about what you did this time.
So what I did was I kept 19 in my head.
19 in your head.
Then I switched the pattern. I had 5 more and 4 more from 21. And then
Okay. Okay, so she kind of did it like this, but she did it in her head. She had 19, and then she knew that it was a pattern, so
And
she...
then I added 4 more from 21. and
Okay.
I got 24.
Well, 3 more from 21, and she got 24. Nice. Okay, let's do one more. I know there's lots of different ways. I'll give you one more chance to come up. We just did 19 plus 5. Let me add it right here. Okay. Now we're going to do, let's do 19 plus 8. Show me your thinking. People hold up multiple fingers. That's nice. What answer do you have, Nathan?
27.
He has 27. If you agree, if you disagree. Okay. Can you tell me how you got 27?
I knew that 20 plus 8 would be 28, but 19 plus 8 would be 27.
Okay.
And anything plus 9 is one number less if it's the same, like, plus number, like 10 plus 8 would be 18, 5 plus 8 would be 17.
I like that. So he made it a friendly number. He added 1 to 19 and made it 20. He added 8, 28, but since he added 1, he now has to take it away. I love that. Anyone else do that? Is there another way that someone solved? MJ, what did you do?
So I did the same thing. I just took away one of the 8, one from the 8, and added 1 to the 9. And I got 20.
So
And
what?
there was 7 left, and I added 7.
Nice. So he just took 1 from the 8 and he moved it over here to the 20. So then it became 20 plus 7, which equals 27. Good job. Anyone else do that? Is there another way that someone solved? Annie? Annie used patterns she thought about last time. I'm going to write patterns. Good job, Annie. Is there someone else? Brayden, what did you do?
I broke 8 into two groups of 4, then add 19 plus 4 plus 4.
You know what? No one has done that method yet. That's the Brayden method. So he broke apart 8 into 4 and 4. So then what he did, he thought 19 plus 4 was easier to add. So he did 23. Then he has 4 more to add, which gives him 27. The Brayden method, nice. Is there another way someone solved? Adriana?
I did
Standard algorithm. So she's actually visualizing the standard algorithm in your head. Now, you can do that. Is it the most efficient, perhaps? Not the most efficient. We always want to think about what's the most efficient. Bryson, what did you do?
Okay. I knew 9. Yep, 9 and 8 equals 17. So then and then
You're using your own method, Bryson's method. So he knew that what? Say that
I
again?
knew that 9 and 8 was 17. So then I added the 10 1 to the 19's 1.
Mhm.
And we got 20 and then I added the 7.
Gotcha. So he broke it apart by place value. Good job. Let's think about one thing that someone used today that you have not thought about before and how you could use it. So turn and talk, whisper with your partner. Three, two, one. Talking is done. Annie, I really like what you said. Would you share it with the group?
I did not know that you can do what you do with Brayden's method. It's easier if you tear it apart and then add it, but it's harder when you just keep it as one.
Yeah, so you can break the numbers apart to make it more easier to add. What did you do today, Brayden? Or what did you see someone else do that you haven't thought about? I'm sorry, Brady.
Brayden way because he split up, because I know 8 is hard to multiply by other stuff, so it's easier to split it up to 4 because it's even, and even numbers are easy to work with because you can add them multiple times because they're even, and you can split them up in even groups.
Okay, so he prefers to add with even numbers. That's a good one. One more, Alexis, and I'll let you talk. Presentation.
I was gonna do MJ's, and I thought that was pretty cool that he could do it in his head, but I could do it in my head too, so I really wanted to do it, so I've been agreeing with him the whole time.
Good. So we had Alexis who has preferred the standard algebra, but she's coming around. She's starting to think about different ways that she can add for efficiency. It's all about efficiency. Because we may not have paper and pencil in our head all the time or in the grocery store. So we may need to think about doing Nathan's method or MJ's method or Braden's method or any of you guys' methods, okay? All right, so that's going to conclude our number talks.